Hello guys, welcome on our YouTube channel WebTech Bull. First of all, sorry guys for the break. Many subscribers are comment that ma'am please continue the series or please make some more videos related QGIS and Google Earth. So guys, now I am here and today we learn about how can we download the QGIS from web. So guys, for download purpose you can use Chrome or Edge for download QGIS. So guys, first of all you have to search QGIS download. Then you can see there are many options. First option is download QGIS website. So guys, you have to avoid this and scroll down your screen and you have to second option that QGIS download QGIS. So click on that and you can see there are options. So you have to again scroll down and then you have to download QGIS standalone installer version 3.14 64-bit. Okay, so click on that and then your QGIS will be download. Then you have to go download section and then go to your folder where you downloaded your QGIS. Then you can see the second file QGIS. Okay, you have to select that QGIS file and then you have to enter on that or you have to run your software. So here is the some message like do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So you have to click on yes and then you have to press on next, then I agree and then again next and then install. So your QGIS is starting process, so please wait for some time. This will take some time for download. So guys, we are learning about the QGIS, so we are learning from scratch and you can continue this tutorial if you are beginner in GIS field. And guys, my personal experience is GIS is very interesting and I think you will be enjoy a lot in this field. So guys, this is your choice, but if you are beginner, so you can continue with this tutorial. So guys, we have to some wait. Guys, in my channel you can also see ArcGIS related tutorials and then Google Earth related tutorials in Hindi and English, both the language. And also QGIS is available in Hindi language, so you can also go to the playlist and you can see all the videos. So guys, it's installed and then you have to press on finish and then you have to search QGIS and then you can see the QGIS installed in your desktop or laptop. So you can pin this to taskbar and then you can open this QGIS. So guys, this is the process of QGIS. So if you are a beginner, so you can continue this tutorial in Hindi and English, both the language. So guys, thanks for the watching.